PAPERwrap means optimal protection for your goods. It is a smart alternative to traditional air bubble film and is made from paper. The compact machine is a space-saving solution. It can be set up for simple integration directly at the packing station or mounted on the wall. PAPERwrap can be operated at the touch of a button. The packer can adjust the speed to work more comfortably. You can choose between single or two-ply paper cushioning for perfect product protection. The 3D honeycomb structure of the die-cut kraft paper ensures optimal cushioning, while the tissue paper on the inside can be used for highly sensitive surfaces to protect from scratches. The integrated cutting device enables practical and clean handling. PAPERwrap is available in various sizes and can be used for several packaging applications, like wrapping, cushioning, and top filling. The kraft paper is available in brown or white and guarantees a positive unboxing experience for the end customer. This makes PAPERwrap ideal for companies that value smart packaging for versatile protection. Efficient and user-friendly. PAPERwrap from Storopack.